Is the most ridiculous customer I've ever encountered online, I think. And I've just got to share it because this is ridiculous. Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here, and I am an eBay and an Amazon seller. And I sell things. I sell things via FBA, which is where Amazon sells it. But I predominantly sell through Merchant Fulfilled, which, for those who don't know, is kind of like eBay on Amazon. So you sell your own products and you ship them out yourself, and they appear on the Amazon page, and it just clearly say sold by da 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 wholesale or da 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 Music Magpie. So it is pretty clear. And I had a message come through the other day, just a kind of "Where's my item?" message. Didn't think much of it, and little did I know what a rabbit hole that this would escalate down. I'm just going to read out what was said. I sold a DVD on the 3rd of January, which was a Saturday, and it was like around 10 quid. Then on Monday, which was a few days ago, I got this message from a customer on Amazon. Hey, where's my DVD? And this is pretty standard, stuff gets delayed, stuff like that. But I mean, they bought it late Saturday night. It was like about 8, 9 o'clock Saturday night. So, hey, where's my DVD? So I replied. Now, I'll obviously condense this a little bit because there's all the formalities of like kind regards and whatnot. I put, hello, sorry for the delay. Your order came late Saturday. It's only Monday now, because this was like Monday afternoon. I haven't posted it yet, but will by the end of the day. Kind regards, Tom. So shortly after, I got this message. Yeah, and I paid for Amazon. Should have come by now. So already I was getting a bit of a kind of that funny vibe. So I put, hello, Nick. Yes, Amazon Prime does give you next day shipping, but this listing doesn't. I'm an independent seller that sells here on Amazon. Kind regards, Tom. Because I thought maybe they're confused. Maybe they ordered a load of stuff, some on Prime, in the same basket, and didn't realize that my order wasn't coming. The order from me wasn't coming via Prime. Common mistake. It happens all the time. So try and play it light with people. Keep it professional and whatnot. So then the customer messages back. But it's sold by Amazon. I bought it on Amazon, not another site. You're one of them. So it's getting, gets worse. Honestly, it gets worse. The ending is just ridiculous. So I replied, hello again, Nick. Yes, that's just the Amazon marketplace. I post the item myself, and it normally takes 3 to 5 business days to get to you. But with Christmas, Royal Mail are a bit delayed. Apologies for the inconvenience. Kind regards, Tom. Still trying to keep it professional. Customer replies, never heard of it. Are you new staff or what? This is ridiculous. So I put, hello, I think you might be misinterpreting me. I own a small business and have been trading on Amazon for over 10 years. I don't work for Amazon at all, but merely sell on their platform. Kind regards, Tom. Then the customer replies, then why lie? Sounds dodgy. Did you take it from their storage? I'm like, what is this? And this was over a series of hours. It wasn't all in like, because sometimes customers message really quickly. This was spread out. So I'm thinking, oh my God, what is going on here? I've dropped the Nick part now. I just put, hello. No, I am not in with the capital because at this point I'm getting a bit annoyed. I am not Amazon, but a separate small business that sells on their site. We buy wholesale stock, nothing stolen. I think of it like eBay, but on Amazon. Kind regards, Tom. And I probably shouldn't have put that part because Amazon don't really like you referencing other sites. So, customer replies, but I bought it on Amazon, not eBay. At this point, I'm just like, this person is just clearly lost the marbles. So I thought I'm not replying because they clearly I'm not got a clue, and that clearly annoyed them because they put a short while later, you're gonna get in such trouble with your boss. So then I was like, okay, I'm still not replying. So today I was like, okay, and it's like later on, okay. I'm gonna reply. Last time, hello Nick. Just to be clear, I actually run this business and I'm the only person in it, so I do not have a boss. Once again, I do not work from Amazon, but for myself. I sell on the platform. That's it. Your order has now been dispatched and should arrive to you within a few days. And then I get a reply not that long ago, customer saying, absolute rubbish. I'm reporting you right this second and getting a full refund. This is shocking customer service from a big company like Amazon. I mean, I've had nothing come through, but I'm expecting an Amazon A to Z claim to come through somehow. Because I have no idea. I have no idea how I could have done better in that conversation. Because the person clearly doesn't understand that you can purchase from other businesses on Amazon as a platform. Has anyone else had this? Because I occasionally get the slight thing, but this is the most extreme example I've ever had in over 10 years of selling on Amazon. And I thought it was too interesting not to share. So yeah, if there's any updates after this, if I lose my account because of this complete winkle spanner, then I will let you know. And if you like videos about Amazon and when things do go wrong and I get banned, click on this one here because this was the time the BBC got me banned on Amazon. And smash that subscribe button for more videos about buying and selling on eBay and Amazon.